Hello, good morning. Fishing, same thing again. Fishing again today with Tiger. Right now it's 6:15. 6:15 or 6:20? 6:20.
What up?
Keep going. Say good morning, boy.
Good morning.
What you do today?
You woke me up to go fishing.
Yeah?
Again.
Again? Why not? That's a lifestyle. Good morning, the lake. No windy. So calm. Beautiful day. Look the trail.
Same spot?
No, different. Have to go down. Woo. Nothing fancy. Cheap fishing pole. Catfish today. Only catfish. Use mackerel, shrimp. Mackerel and shrimp. Not bad. Woo! The play, same play again. Last week.
Heck is this?
Same place last week. Right? Beautiful day. Same play last week. Put up there. Yeah, right there on the rock.
Right here.
Yeah, no. Maybe you can lay down somewhere. Over there.
Lay down.
Yeah. Why not? Okay, start. Get ready. Set up my fishing pole. Here.
You still recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Yep. Still recording, boy? Okay. Coffee a little bit. Okay, bye-bye. See you. Set up my fishing pole.
First throw of the day, of the morning. Go.
Wow. Oh. Good. The first one.
Second throw.
Fishing pole, okay?
Go.
Woo. Wow. In Cambodian. Job in Cambodian. 2-4. Okay.
Third throw.
Number 3 pole. Right? What number?
3.
Okay, ready? Release. Wow, in Cambodian again. This one drop in Thailand. All right.
Woke up at 6. We've been here for like 4 hours. And it's mostly cloudy to 6 o'clock. That's when we go home. But yeah. It's been cloudy all day. It's gonna be cloudy till 6 o'clock a.m. Look at the clouds up there. Yep. We only caught one fish, one got away. We could have had second, but no.
People fishing from my fishing pole.
Sprinkling in the mountain. Sprinkle on the mountains. It's still sprinkling right now till this day.
Cloudy, rain, cold, and Phliêng khăng đấy. Mình men phliêng but cái how
Sprinkle.
Sprinkle. Bạn trai tầm muối được nghe này. Ok. Go stay on the top of the rock, boy. Yeah, first fish for tiger today. Go on the top of the rock. Keep rolling fast. Oh yeah. Come on, boy. Stay up, stay up. Yeah. More like that. Pull it out. Look at me. Pull it out and roll it. Easy, not too hard. Cling, 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 cling. Come this way, right? Your right hand side. Come on, boy. Go like that. Hey, sideways. Don't drag to the tree. This side. Drag to your left hand, your right hand. Easy, easy. Don't broke them. Yeah, like that. Slow. Slow. All the way there. Yeah. Oh, you see, go in the tree already. No good. You go in the tree. Right. You pull down, man. All the way, and then, yeah. Come this way, this way. Man, you go to the tree. You're gonna broke. Don't pull them. There's a fish over there. It's the first time you let the fish go to the tree. Slowly. Up. Tight. Okay, pick it up, boy. Okay, first fish for tiger today. Almost get away, stuck with the weed.
The grass.
The grass and the weed. Almost.
First fish.
Finally he got one. Thank you. See you next. Fish on. Fish on. Go do it. Okay, go stand on the rock, boy. Yeah, second fish for tiger. Pick up your fishing pole straight up. Go like that. And roll. Go again. And roll. Wow, second fish, man. Come on, man. Do it, tiger. You're gonna put the camera right here, okay? When you pin your pole up, don't roll. Go, go, go. You don't pin your pole up. Yeah, pin over here. Move. Easy, not too hard. No, go that side. Yeah. Now bring it up. Back up. Down. Stand okay. Pick it up. Easy. Go that way. Right. Right there. Look at one fish. Now show the fish, boy. All right, second fish for tiger. Okay, hold on. Throw it. All right. All right. That's 4, man.
Let me do it again.
Right there. Okay, good. Wow, today, ngày này make the tum lò, chích phliêngกับดังnày ngày này. Mơ. Và bị prất phliêng bật lầm tịnh. Hello ní. Là ngực chừng màu thế ra. Mơ khăn nông bạn. Mơ khăn nông bạn là ngực chừng màu. Bài phliêng thế là mơ tầm nào. Bài phliêng này đó mơ tầm nào này. Tại mình ban trái ruột ra ngay này. Là ban trái từ pi đó. Ban trái pi. Ban trái pi. Đai. ปลา2 ตัววันนี้ได้ปลา2 ตัวครับปรากฏ2 ตัวแต่ฝนมาแล้วฝนกำลังมาแล้วเนี่ยบางทีก็วิ่งเข้ารถละโอเคนั่น2 คนตกเบ็ดอยู่ทางไหนโอเค Get some chow. Get some chow right there. No, get some chow. Hey folks, thank you for today. I've cleaned it up. I got 3 fish. 3 fish only. I got 1. My son got 2. That's it for today. But I can't record by myself because somebody called in and my friend called in and can't record myself and he talked to him. Well, we're gonna clean up. Thank you from Akun John Bat. From the Viet Bat. Okay, so Akun John Bat from the Viet today. Thank you.